morning, everybody. How is it going? I don't know about you guys, but I have been incredibly busy this week to the point that, I mean, it's just run. Probably working 6 days this week. I got at least 3 photo shoots, and then I threw in this little photo shoot right here because next week I've got a really cool studio product photography project coming up. And so I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited to show you guys it. And this little thing that I threw together in 15 minutes yesterday was kind of a test run for that product shoot that's coming up. And so, unfortunately, my goal of a video every single week is a little bit skewed this week, but I'm throwing this little video together to put something together and show you what I'm preparing. Because a lot of professional photography is done behind the scenes. You know, you're scouting locations, you're doing little test shoots so that when the real thing comes along, you've kind of got your lighting and everything figured out. That's what this is all about for next week's photo shoot. So I'm off to another job this morning. I'll be gone all day, but I'm going to leave you with a short little video today of me doing this little fishing lure shot, which turned out to be a neat little shot. I'll send it in to stock for sure because I think it's pretty generic and might go for that. But really, it was just a test for what's happening next week. I'll leave you with that, and hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you in a new video. I've got several coming up next week because I think we're going to have a little more time to be putting some time into videos. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your comments. As always, love hearing from you guys. Hope your summer is going well, and I will talk to you very soon. I promise. So let me show you my test really quickly. I've done this whole thing in about 15 minutes. Softbox angled way forward because I want the background to go dark. I've got one light over there with a grid and barn doors on it, giving some direction. But as you can see, I've got a trash can with some screen, and I've got a card in there blocking what's happening from behind. I've got a couple of mirrors on here. I'm at 160 ISO, f7.1 I think. There's the shot. Let me show you where I'm at. Pretty simple, but kind of neat and effective for a test. I'm liking it.